Hidden beneath this mountain lies one of the most advanced technological facilities on Earth. Kilometers of solid rock protect something incredible. Processors harness phenomena to redefine computing. This is the entrance to a quantum computing fortress. Inside, hundreds of engineers maintain an environment quieter than space. Cooling systems move massive volumes of air to stabilize the environment. Every meter of this facility is precisely engineered. Vibration isolation and cosmic radiation. Security here is as advanced as the technology it protects. We're descending nearly a kilometer beneath the mountain. This is the heart of the underground quantum vault. Here, vibration isolation and cosmic radiation shielding protect the fragile qubits. Here, humanity's most delicate computers are protected. Quantum processors must operate near absolute zero.
Cooling stable. Qubits are coherent.
Gold wiring stabilizes signals at microscopic levels. Dilution refrigerators keep processors colder than outer space.
Coherence is holding steady.
Confirmed. Qubits are stable.
Precision control systems monitor every vibration. Precision control systems monitor every vibration. This ensures the fragile qubits remain stable. Even the smallest disturbance could disrupt quantum states. Automation assists engineers in maintaining perfect conditions. The vault spans several levels beneath the mountain. Special platforms absorb tiny vibrations from the Earth. Inside this chamber lies the computing core. Teams constantly monitor quantum performance.
Coherence is holding at 150 microseconds.
A product of precision engineering. Thousands of connections keep the system alive. Liquid helium keeps the system stable. Every circuit is designed for absolute precision.
Quantum data requires entirely new computing methods.
Yes, the coherence times are unprecedented here.
It's a game changer.
And at the center of it all lies the processor. This is the quantum core. Every cable carries carefully controlled energy to stabilize fragile qubits. This is the heart of quantum computing. Inside, fragile qubits perform calculations impossible for classical computers.
Today, the system is about to run.
Confirmed. All parameters are stable.
Initiating the sequence now.
Power flows through the entire vault. Temperatures drop to near absolute zero. Quantum states stabilize. Calculations begin. Results start to emerge. The system is working perfectly.
Yes, the error rate is nearly zero.
The isolation is flawless. A hidden supercomputer beneath the Earth. Every component plays a role. The vault operates silently. Here, the final quantum processor is revealed, the pinnacle of this engineering marvel. Quantum calculations accelerate. Emerging. A technological marvel hidden underground. The result appears. This machine has completed a complex quantum simulation. Years of engineering have paid off. All of it built to protect this moment. A processor smaller than a suitcase, yet powerful enough to reshape computing. The future of technology. Hidden beneath the mountains. Protected by stone. powered by science.
Vibration isolation and cosmic shielding protect the fragile qubits.
This is the future of computing. Building a single quantum computing system can cost anywhere from $50 million to over $500 million. After years of engineering and billions of dollars of research, the quantum processor finally comes to life.
This machine doesn't produce physical goods, it produces knowledge, solving problems classical computers cannot.
Deep underground, quantum processors power breakthroughs in medicine, climate science, and artificial intelligence.